So at this point, we have pretty clear separation between our data and our logic. But if we expect our clients or our users to be able to manipulate data, it's currently not in a format that's very easy to use. Let's go ahead and take a look at our data.php file again. So we have this data in a multi-dimensional array, which requires that people understand the structure for one. And we're asking a lot of people if we're expecting them to input data in this format. There's specific syntax that's required, and there's a lot that can go wrong that's a little hard to track down unless you really understand the error messages that you're seeing. So in this video, what we're going to do is use a different type of data structure, one that's easier to use by people who aren't familiar with PHP. So that format is going to be a comma-separated values list. So let's go ahead and jump to our resource pack directory, and let's go ahead and take this 10th step, which is data.txt.justthedata.step. And we're going to copy this, and then we're going to jump over to our scripts directory, and we're going to paste it in and rename it data.txt. Now let's go ahead and open this up in our editor and take a look. So the format here should be pretty straightforward. Every piece of data is separated with a comma, and then every new data record is on a new line. So the only syntax that people need to remember is where to use commas and where to use new lines. So even though this data is easier for our users to work with, it's going to be a bit more complicated to work with from a code perspective. In our previous videos, when we had the data in an array, it was easy to loop through that array using basic PHP looping constructs. So what we need to figure out here is how to get this data into an array so that we can loop through it and apply logic to it.